Hello guys, Deadly Snipers 15 here, and today I'm going to be building a custom PC. And first off, this is my case. This is a Corsair Obsidian X 362 edition. So yeah, I just found it in my basement. Yeah, and so this is a really good case. I don't know why, but it's just very nice. Very nice. And it's pretty big enough for the motherboard. And it has a window filter, so that's pretty cool. And it has no screws or anything. It's just a door where you could just kind of go like that and then boom. So first off, let's start off with the motherboard. This is an Asus Z77 PX-V edition, and as you can tell, I got the anti-static bag on it, since you gotta be really careful with the motherboard. So let's just like that. Put it really careful, and it should go in like that. Moving on. I always start off with the RAM, so let's just put in the RAM. So right here I have two 4GB Corsair Vengeance RAM, and this is very good RAM. And so we're just gonna put it in place. There we go. Nice and easy. Oh no. Maybe a few more adjustments. There we go. Nice and easy. And the other stick. Always make sure to carry the RAM from on top or where there's no pins, because you could really mess up your RAM. So let's just lock that in place. And perfect. Moving on. Putting on the power supply. I always start with this first, but I don't know why I didn't. So the power supply is pretty hard to put on, but I'll show you guys how to put it on. So you just do that. Very easy. And so moving on. Let's go to the hard drive. This is a Samsung 256GB. It cost me like $400, but in my case I use paper and it actually works. So we're just gonna put it like that, and it's wireless, so I don't really have to connect anything, so I'm good with that. And my CPU. You gotta be very careful with the CPU, or else you can mess up your performance. So let's just take it out of the thing and pop that out and open the thingy. And you're gonna oh whoops, so I dropped an accident, but you're gonna want to be super careful. You're gonna want to hold it from the sides. You don't want to touch any of those pins, or else it could severely damage your component. So let's just put it in like that. Perfect. And so you could just do whatever with this. And the graphics card, which is last. So this is an Asus. Well, no, it's not really Asus, but it's made by Asus, and it's an AMD Radeon 7990 6GB of video buffer, so it's very good. And so you don't really have to worry about the pins on this. You just hold it from the top. And over there, whoops, sorry if you guys can see that. Right there, that under PA Z77V, you just kind of slide it in. Perfect, sort of. Might want to slide it a bit out. And that should be good. But there's more. So, as you can tell, there's a bunch of people on their gaming builds that have cooling, and in this case I have water cooling, so we might want to, let me autofocus this, there we go. Might want to kind of scoot the power supply over there, and let's just put in some water. Wait, we gotta scoot in the motherboard a little. Perfect. And let's just put in the water. Very nice. And that's pretty much all, guys. That's how to build a custom gaming PC. You got hard drive, you got the RAM, you got the graphics card, you got the CPU, and even the water cooling, and a 650 power watt supply. So that's pretty good. You could run a bunch of games at ultra settings. Oh yeah, and also when I bought the graphics card from Newegg, they gave me Battlefield 1942 and Call of Duty 4. So those games are very graphics stressing. So good thing they sent me those, and it was completely free. So I was pretty happy. And like I said, you could just close the case, and it's kind of hard. You can't really close the case really easy. But, hold on a second, guys. Alright, I got it. So, that is your custom PC. And these are some specifications on my power supply. Whoops, let me focus that. 650 watts, and it's 80 plus bronze certified, so it's pretty nice. You could save some money. And guys, that's pretty much all on how to build a gaming PC. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. There are a lot of people out there that are wanting to be PC gamers, and this is why I made this video, so you guys can build your own PC for $50 or even cheaper. Or you can take the really low budget route and go to $33,000, so very cheap. And so, yeah, I'll be giving this gaming PC away. This gaming PC, it's about worth $1. So, yeah, that's a really good giveaway. And so, thanks so much, guys, for watching and coming and being here. And I hope you found this video helpful. Goodbye.